Hello friends, welcome to Civil Organization. Today we are discussing about an topic of geofoam. So basically what is a geofoam? Geofoam is an expanded polystyrene that is EPS manufactured into large lightweight blocks. The primary function of geofoam is to provide a lightweight void fill below a highway, bridge approach, embankment or parking lot, etc. The geofoam will be applicable for utility protection, embankment slope stabilization, stadium seating, pipeline and culverts, bridge underfill, road construction and widening, retaining structures, reduced digging, pavement insulation, etc. How to use geofoam at construction site. Now we are watch some practical work on site. First, we clean and dust free the entire concrete surface, where we can apply that geofoam material. Then we apply bituminous material above that concrete surface. Place the geofoam material above the bituminous material. In that process, bituminous material acts as binding material. Fill the cavity by using small cutting pieces of geofoam and getting a plain surface. The bituminous applications are carefully applied on the concrete surfaces and geofoam surfaces. Then we add the layer-wise geofoam up to final level. Cut the geofoam using thin metal wire, often made of nichrome or stainless steel, or a thicker wire performed into a desired shape, which is heated via electrical resistance to approximately 200 degrees Celsius or 390 degrees Fahrenheit. On the final layer of geofoam, apply the wire mesh for stability. Then apply the concrete layer above the geofoam. Then use the surface for our regular uses. So thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel Civil Organization.